Welcome back to my channel. This time I'm on M1 Princess. My stateroom near the lift had easy access with my medallion. The room was laid out as a twin, but it can be also made as a double. Simply push on the door to open. The sliding door to access the balcony is quite stiff and heavy. It is a good sized balcony with 2 deck chairs, a small table which can be configured however you want. It's good that the wardrobe has a lower rail, but the safe is too high. The bathroom has a really wide door to access, all equipped with handrails in the shower along with a drop down seat. There's a big push button on the wall to open your stateroom door. The lifts are easy to access with big buttons. Now to the main dining room. We enjoyed lots of delicious dishes on board. We even had our own origami show from Henry. As part of Princess Plus, you can enjoy 2 casual meals per cruise. We tried planked barbecue, which I really recommend. Planks is part of Horizon Court, which is a buffet where you can come for breakfast, lunch and dinner. There's a platform to access one of the pools, however it was out of action. Outrigger's bar at the back of the ship is a lovely place to watch the waves. Now is the tour of the pool deck. There are many bars lowered for wheelchair users. Many pools and hot tubs have hoists which make them accessible for everyone. Even the shower is level access. This is one of the accessible toilets with electronic doors. They are spacious with handrails for easy transfer. This is where you can order hot dogs and burgers, which is all included. This is coffee and cones where you can get your premier dessert from. You're allowed 2 a day. I've now gone up to the sun deck. This deck is a particular favourite of mine for sailorways. The big screen showed outdoor films both during the day and at night. Now I'm on my way to the lower level of the theatre.
It's the very first time I won. So we did the very first show on the day after my 49th birthday in 2009. So when we did the pilot up in the old Granada Studios in Manchester, Mark did the very first show, which he lost. I won the show by 2 seconds. So when Brandy said to me, "Sean, were you excited?" I said, "That's just another day in the office."
We were lucky to have the Dark Destroyer on board from the chase to give us a talk. Alternatively, you can sit at the back of the theatre on the deck above. However, one of the issues here is that there's a handrail right in my eye line. I'm on my way to the library, which is next to the pub. As well as books, you can get daily quizzes, board games and puzzles. Queen's Bar always has live music in the evenings. I'm now at Princess Live, where you can do game shows and quizzes. I even got to have a go at Strike It Lucky.
Game, set, match is an expression used to indicate a competitor has won the game in which sport? Is it tennis, basketball or cricket?
Tennis.
The answer is A, tennis. We have our first winner. Congratulations, James. Ananda is going to give you a prize. Here we go, Ananda. Ladies and gentlemen, please give James a round of applause for being the first winner.
There are a lot of tables here, but make sure you get here early as it gets very busy during the entertainment. Club Fusion is another great venue hosting silent discos, quizzes and karaoke. This is another accessible bathroom, however, it is less user-friendly due to the lack of electric doors. This is Skywalker's nightclub, where you have stunning views during the day and party all night. I had to use my lightweight wheelchair to disembark at some of the ports due to the steep gangway. We were lucky enough to have a boat trip to see some amazing icebergs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.